Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat video call. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat video call, you should just go to settings. When you will find this page, you will enter two apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this page, you will enter to this window of Snapchat and you will enter. Here in this list of app info, you will go to click first stop and we click OK. Then we go to click storage. Here we go to click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.